of the occult only leads to the deeper occult.
Hi there, I'm Yin, your battle buddy. The left controls movement, and the right controls your attacks. Follow me.
Magic exists for my convenience. You made me mad. Now,
Destroy the enemy crystal.
everybody has a plan until they get fireballed in the face.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Quick! You go first.
Victory!
Most of the tutorial has been skipped for you.
Angela is a high-burst mage who can crowd control her enemies.
Welcome to Honor of Kings. Enemy minions will arrive in 5 seconds. All forces, move out!
Head to the mid lane.
Magic exists for my
The
convenience.
mid lane is shorter and offers plenty of opportunities to assist the other lanes.
Quick! You'll be sorry!
Study of the occult only leads to the deeper occult.
Charge!
Leap! Leap! Quick! Bingo! I'm here to kick some butt! Hey! Trouble now!
An enemy has been slain! An enemy has been slain!
Everybody has a plan until they get fireballed in the face!
Get out of there!
Tower attacks become more powerful with each hit, so pull back.
Magic exists for my convenience!
An enemy has been slain! Double kill! Triple kill!
Leap! Ha! Yes!
You have slain an
Trouble
enemy!
now!
An
I'll
enemy
light a
has been
candle at your
slain!
funeral.
Quick! Leap! You made me mad!
Get out of there!
Tower attacks become more powerful with each hit, so pull back. Unstoppable!
Leap!
The Overlord and Tyrant have spawned! Tower shields have been shattered. Catapults moving out. An enemy has been slain. Killing spree.
Come on!
I'll light a
Double
candle at your
kill.
funeral. Study of the occult only leads to the deeper occult.
Unstoppable. Your team has destroyed a turret. Godlike.
Leap!
Your team has destroyed
I'll
a
light
turret.
a candle at your funeral.
Magic exists for my convenience! Quick! Leap!
Godlike. Your team has destroyed a turret. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Attacking the marker. Inner tower on this lane. Keep pushing toward the high ground.
Bingo! I'm here to kick some butt!
Legendary. Legendary. Killing spree.
Sun is setting.
Double kill. Killing spree.
Attack the marker.
team
We've
has
destroyed
destroyed
all
a
the
turret.
enemy towers in a lane. Now destroy the crystal.
Rampage. Ace. Legendary. Double kill. Triple kill. Victory.
Every life has its own path, its own destiny. And your answers will lead you to the hero destined for you. You'll be descending onto the battlefield with a new look. What do you see yourself as? Fear not, because your teammates have your back. What is your preferred role in a team fight? The stars have aligned, pointing to your destined hero. They'll travel across the starry sky to join you.